Hey folks, welcome to Innovative. In this video, we are going to discuss about a website which is very helpful for those who want to keep their things private while sharing that information online. So the website name is protectedtext.com. I got to know about this from a Reddit thread. So let's check it out how it works. This is the website protectedtext.com. Okay, so here you need to what actually it does that you choose an alias and enter here and click on go, then it will generate a page where you can enter your information or whatever you want to save, enter all that thing, and when you click save, it will ask you to enter some password which will be used to lock that document, and when it will be locked, the information or the text you entered in that page will be encrypted and sent to their servers. And when you want to get it back, visit that page, and it will take that text from the server, encrypted text from the server to your computer, and when you enter your password here at your computer, it will be decrypted locally. Your password won't be sent to any servers. It will be used locally to encrypt to decrypt the document that we created previously. So let's check it out how it works. Let me enter a random page. Okay, as you can see, the page does not exist, so we can create a site. Here we can enter some text. Okay, so that's the text. Now click on the save button and enter some random password: 1234567. 1234567. It says saved. No, I don't want to save this password here. Okay, so my page is created. So when somewhere else someone want to access my document, you need to visit the website, enter the alias here, random page title 2, go. And now here that guy need to enter the password that I have created. Enter. Okay. Now our text is decrypted. Now again there is second method to directly access the page is to enter the URL itself. Now when you visit the website or this alias, you need to enter the password. The process same, enter the password, it will decrypt the document and show it to you. Okay. Now when your work is done, you can actually delete the document, delete the site. That's it. The site is deleted. You can always create again if you want to. That was the website. I would recommend if you want to share something important and don't want anyone else to look at it, then why don't you use this website? It's quite good. So if you found this video helpful, then please give it a like and do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.